Anne. Can't take your call right now.
Just leave your message after the tone.
Hi, Mr. Jenkins. I'm calling from AVJ Financial Services regarding the letter we sent you about your contract, which is due to finish in 3 months. Please could you call customer services on 01234 567 890 at your earliest convenience.
Anne. Can't take your call right now.
Just leave your message after the tone.
Hi, Mr. Jenkins. I'm calling again from AVJ Financial Services about your contract, which is due to finish in 8 weeks. Please could you call us back as soon as possible.